Okay, let's go ahead and design a custom Wakesurfer on our online design tool. When you get to the custom Wakesurfer page, you can see here the 3 different models, the different shapes that we have, and each shape has different sizes. So what you'll do is just click the Start Designing tool. It's going to load up with this shape. If you want to change the shape, you just go ahead and swap the product right here, and then you can change it to whatever shape you want. After you pick the shape that you want, you can go ahead and add text. If you click the Add Text feature there, you can go ahead and type whatever you want. That text is then going to appear on the board. You can see the traction pad is actually black, but we have it slightly gray just so that you can see your design behind it. It will be covered. Whatever you put in that area will be covered. So anything important you're going to kind of want to put up here in the areas that are visible. You can go ahead and change the background color. If you go here to background, click that little button there. You can change the background color of the entire board. After you've picked the color that you want, I always recommend you just kind of lock it. Then that becomes that background becomes locked, and you won't change it. Just makes it easier for you to select some of the other elements that you put on there. So if you go ahead and you can see that after you add text, you can manipulate it, stretch it, turn it. If you click this button here, you can change the font to whatever you'd like. You can change the color to whatever you'd like. To add designs, we've got some preloaded clip art, textures, whatever, that are already on the site to use. You can go ahead and just click them and add whatever texture you want. You can see here, you can go ahead and stretch it, do whatever. You can see here that when I added that texture, the happy birthday disappeared. What you'll do is just go to Manage Layers, and you'll just drag that layer below your happy birthday. If you want to add your own image, you just go ahead and click here to Add Image. You see this one is already uploaded. If you wanted to upload a different one, you just click the button to upload, and it's going to ask you if you have rights to use it. Click OK, and it's going to go ahead and upload. So we'll add that image here. You can see when I select somewhere, you can see that's the background, or that's the texture. If you want to just lock that out, you go back to the layers and you can go ahead and lock out like your happy birthday. You can lock out the texture. Now I can't select it. So we'll go ahead and put that there. Let's just drop that below happy birthday. Now you can see down here, you can see 1/2. That's for your front and your back. So if you want to design your back side, you just click that. Your images will still be there. So if you wanted this to be your whole back side or whatever, you can. If you need to zoom in at any given moment, you can go ahead and click File and Zoom in. This is going to allow you to zoom in to your design. You can kind of see if your pictures are going to be clear. If you want to zoom or to shift the product, you can see now I click that little icon there, and then I can shift the product and see, just to give you a better visual of where placements are going to be. When you're all done, you're going to want to go ahead and just click the Done button, and it's going to pop in your little image there. And from there, you can go ahead and check out. You can see it will automatically add it to your cart after a few seconds, but that's okay. If it does that, you just can still re-edit. If you're not quite ready, you want to make changes, you just click here to re-edit it. It'll take you right back to the surf page. Click Start Designing, and you can see it'll just open up your design right there. If you have an account, it'll allow you to save it. And then when your saved designs, even if you design other products, will show up in here. To save that design, you just go up here Let's see. Oh, that's a little preview. If you click the preview, it'll show you your top and bottom. You can click your save design right there and just save it. You can give it a title if you'd like. So now that product is saved. So next time you come back to here and refresh this, it'll show up in that saved spot.